Welcome to English with Luck, guys. Here I am coming with the new video that is Crack All Speaking with Simple Techniques. By implementing these things in your daily life, and you will get the real magic in your IELTS test report. The first technique is build your mindset. That is the most important thing you can do now for clearing the exam. That is, think and speak in English even you have no mood or you don't want to speak. But for clearing the exam, you have to do it. Think in English. It will give you more confidence to get comfortable with English language. When you get the comfortness in English language, you will definitely get the best scores in your speaking because you are comfortable with your mother tongue, right? You are freely express your feelings in front of others for in English, in Punjabi, or whatever language you have. Really, when you get the comfortness in English, you are confident enough to express your feelings in front of others in English. Second is indulge yourself in English environment. The meaning of this is speak English with everyone, even with your parents and siblings, even though they don't know what you are doing or speaking. Yeah, they make fun of you, but you have to do it for the sake of gain confidence. Speak everything in English, like household things, clothes, and other things, because it will enlarge your vocabulary as well. Third is listen to English as more you can. Listen to podcast, songs, and watch films in English. Sing the lyrics with the singer. It will increase your fluency and you will not do a sound during your speaking. This is the most important thing, guys. When you watch, you will definitely consume English content, right? Be a part of English speaking group or make a group with your friends and speak English. Follow English related content in social media like sites like Instagram and Facebook. There are so many pages about English. You can follow that. Moreover, read posts and articles in English and enlarge your vision. By doing following these type of content, you will automatically consume English content, right? And you are indirectly doing that. You have no pressure to learn English, right? You can do it in the enjoy that journey. That is the most important thing, right? Find meaning of the word if you don't know. Many of the words are there where you don't know the meaning of certain word. Search that in your Google. It will enhance your vocabulary and make a list of the words. When you do this, you will have a power to speak fluently and confidently because you know the meaning of the certain word. You have no worry what its meaning, and you have no hesitation to speak, right? And you have to do no struggle to think what word is suitable for this, right? Last is benefits of doing these things. You will get confidence and power to speak English anywhere and with anyone, guys. Get the fluency and clarity in your voice. You won't hesitate. Last but not the least, English is a language, not a subject. Not a subject. I know that we are customized that it is a subject because we learned it from our first class, right? But it is not a subject. It is a language where to feel, right? You can mold it like in any form. It will give you the best results, and it is easy as pie, really. Learn this language as you learned your mother tongue by seeing your parents, but here is a change. You are seeing the other speaker, like on YouTube videos or anything else. Learn it like your mother tongue. Do not get pressure or anything else. Just enjoy.